In this guide, we'll explore 3 effective methods to help you restore lost contacts and SMS, making data recovery a breeze. Part 1. How to recover deleted contacts and text messages from Xiaomi with Mi Cloud. Mi Cloud is a built-in service that Xiaomi offers to back up your contacts, text messages, photos, and other data. If you've been using Mi Cloud, recovering your lost contacts and messages is a breeze. Step 1. Open Settings on your Xiaomi device. Step 2. Scroll down to Mi Account and tap on it. Step 3. Tap Cloud under the Mi Account settings. Step 4. Select Contacts and Messages to check your available backups. Step 5. If a backup is found, tap Restore to retrieve your deleted contacts and messages. Part 2. How to perform Xiaomi contacts and SMS recovery through Google account. If you've synced your Xiaomi contacts and SMS to your Google account, it's possible to restore them by signing in with the same account on a new phone or after performing a factory reset. Step 1. As you begin the setup process on your Xiaomi device, select the option Copy Apps and Data to restore from a previous backup. Step 2. Enter your Google account credentials to log in, making sure it's the account that contains the backup you want to restore. Step 3. Choose a backup from the cloud from the list of available backups and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the restoration of your contacts and messages. Part 3. How to do Xiaomi contacts and SMS recovery by Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android. Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android is a powerful tool designed to recover deleted contacts, SMS, and other data from Xiaomi phones without requiring a backup. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Lab.Fone for Android on your Windows PC. The tool also has a separate version for Mac users. Step 2. Make sure to enable USB debugging on your phone, and then connect it to the same PC or Mac via USB cable or Wi-Fi. Step 3. After you've connected your Xiaomi phone to the computer, the tool will recognize it and display a menu on the left side of the UI listing the options you want to recover from your phone. Just choose the Contacts and Messages categories and hit the Next button to let the program scan out all deleted contacts and text messages from your Xiaomi phone. Step 4. The lost and deleted contacts and text messages are colored in red. Just tick off the ones you want back and click on the Recover button to start the process. You can then just sit and wait for the app to do its work of recovering the data.